Hello again, smart learners. Welcome back to Basic 1000 English Words. You're doing amazing. We've already learned 260 words together. Today we'll focus on communication verbs. These are words we use when we talk, listen, and share ideas with people. Think about it. Every day you ask questions, answer friends, call family, and talk to teachers. These verbs make your English sound natural and clear. Grab your notebook, smile, and let's start learning these 20 powerful verbs for better conversations. Talk means to speak with someone. Talk. Say it with me. Talk. Speak means to use your voice to say words. Speak. Repeat after me. Speak. Say means to express words or thoughts. Say. Say it clearly. Say. Tell means to give information or a story. Tell. Let's repeat. Tell. Ask means to request information. Ask. Say it with me. Ask. Answer means to reply to a question. Answer. Repeat after me. Answer. Call means to contact someone by phone. Call. Say it clearly. Call. Shout means to speak very loudly. Shout. Let's practice. Shout. Whisper means to speak very softly. Whisper. Repeat slowly. Whisper. Listen means to pay attention to sounds. Listen. Say it with me. Listen. Hear means to notice sounds with your ears. Hear. Repeat after me. Hear. Discuss means to talk about something in detail. Discuss. Say it clearly. Discuss. Explain means to make something clear. Explain. Let's repeat. Explain. Promise means to say you will do something. Promise. Say it with me. Promise. Invite means to ask someone to join an event. Invite. Repeat after me. Invite. Complain means to say you are not happy. Complain. Say it clearly. Complain. Agree means to say yes to an idea. Agree. Let's practice. Agree. Disagree means to say no to an idea. Disagree. Say it with me. Disagree. Warn means to tell someone about danger. Warn. Repeat after me. Warn. Remind means to help someone remember. Remind. Say it clearly. Remind. Fantastic work today. You now know 280 English words. Try using these verbs in real life. I ask my teacher. I listen to my friend. I promise to help. Tell me in the comments, which communication verb do you use the most every day? Next time, we'll learn 20 action verbs about work and school. Keep practicing every day. Your English is getting stronger.